ICON did, in my opinion, the smartest possible thing they could have done, which was bring in a Dutch naval architect, von Oossanen, who's very well known in yachting circles, certainly, for a lot of fast displacement hull designs, and also very, very talented naval architect for making a determination as to the bottom line fundamental success of a project for conversion, like Oossanen Naval was. After the decision had been made that naval architecture-wise she would make a great platform, ICON consulted and contracted with the very famous Espen Øino, who actually has done a lot of projects for me over the years, including yachts like Scat and Octopus, which is the penultimate explorer yacht. Espen looked at Oossanen Naval for conversion and did some profile design and also general arrangement drawing, which is fundamentally where we are today with the layout of Master. They called on the very famous London-based design firm Winch Design, obviously founded by Andrew Winch, and now a very, very, very high-end design firm for yachts, airplanes, and private residences. But I think one of the reasons that, apart from their track record and their style, that Winch was chosen is because they have a very good, very well-trained staff in London. So to get drawings and details for clients such as presentation boards, is something that they do every day, and they can generate them very quickly. So a client interested in taking on Master has the best design firm there is from an interior standpoint, and they can deliver quickly. So I think that those three actions together and those three choices together bring us to Master being the pretty interesting project.